Trails Farm, and today this is just a quick update on the make your own vanilla video that we made about 7 months ago. We had marked the top of the jars January 2021, and I obviously didn't get to it in January, but that's fine because the longer it sits, the better it gets. And I'm just going to leave mine in the jars, but I did need to take some out of here and put it in this old vanilla bottle that I put a new label on to send to my daughter. So I'm going to let you get a look at it and see how it turned out. I believe we used 10 pods and we cut them in half. So each jar had 5 pods, and it's been sitting since, well, it was like 7 months, I think it was, last fall basically. And you can see it's turned into a nice, it was the vodka, and I think it was 80 proof. I can't remember what it was. Go back and check that old video. But so it was just the vodka and the vanilla pods, and that's all it was. And it's been sitting in a dark place in my pantry in these sealed candy jars. So let's look at what it looks like when we put it in the bottle. So I just have a kitchen funnel, and I'm just gonna grab, like I said, I'm just gonna leave mine in the jars, and I'll use it as I need it. And I'm just gonna leave those pods in there, and it's just gonna continue to get stronger. And I'm just going to fill up my a little lighter than store-bought vanilla, but a lot of that store-bought vanilla is, if you don't get 100% vanilla, it's corn syrup with brown coloring. Vanilla pods I'm just going to leave in there and just allow it to continue making its own vanilla, and as I use it I'll eventually just dump, combine the 2 jars eventually. But I wanted to let you see what it looked like after we got it all done, and I'm going to send that off to my daughter. Smells like vanilla, tastes like vanilla. It is a little stronger, I would say, than just the little bottles of store-bought vanilla, but remember that alcohol content burns away and all you're left with is the flavoring. So this has been the vanilla update, Canterbury Trails Farm. Be sure to check that video out if you missed it the first time around. Talk to you later.